Good morning, friends. Now, after solving two layers, now I'm going to show you how to solve the third layer. It is difficult part, so we have divided this part into 3 to 4 algorithms. Now we have to first make fish shape in this top layer, so that in the next step we can directly make all the points blocks in yellow color. So for making fish, that is one color, any one corner, and the side two, and the centerpiece, and this two side of same yellow color, and these boxes can be of different color, will be of different color, maybe of same color but not yellow. Okay, so for making the fish in the top layer, as white is in the bottom top layer fish, we have to follow two algorithm, and the algorithm is this. So first algorithm is front clockwise, right clockwise, top clockwise, right anti-clockwise, top anti-clockwise, and front anti-clockwise. The second algorithm is right clockwise, top clockwise, right anti-clockwise, top clockwise, right clockwise, top 2 times in any direction, and then right anti-clockwise. Moving on, just keep in mind, we don't have to put this. If we have got yellow in straight line, we have to put it like this. Don't put it in vertical direction, put it horizontally. Now we have to follow first algorithm, clockwise, front clockwise, front, this is right side, this is top side, so front clockwise, right clockwise, top clockwise, then right anti-clockwise, top anti-clockwise, and then front anti-clockwise. By doing this, the upper layer has changed, but the bottom layer has not changed. Put both layers in your facing direction, and then apply the same first algorithm, front clockwise, right clockwise, top clockwise, then right anti-clockwise, top anti-clockwise, and then front anti-clockwise. By doing this, the upper layer might change, but the bottom layer is same. We have to try so many times. Maybe it will take, I'm not perfect at it, but it may take around 5 to 10 times, so to get fish in the top layer. We will try once, again, then back, then back. Bottom is same, but this has changed. So now we got plus sign, so it should face towards you. This point should face towards you, and this layer, this is horizontal, this is vertical. Doesn't matter vertical it is there or not, but horizontal should be facing towards you. We will do the same thing. You can try the second algorithm also on this, but now we are trying the first algorithm. Sorry, it is taking too much time. It was not taking earlier this much time. What can I do? This should be in your direction. If nothing is in common, this should, here too many yellows should be there for making fish in the top layer. Finally I got the fish. Fish means this 4 blocks and this 2, and if it is here, yellow is here, then bingo, next step you will get all the top color as yellow, and if it is not here, then it will take next one more repetition of the same second algorithm. Try to match the corners yellow, then try the second algorithm, that is right clockwise, top clockwise, right anti-clockwise, top clockwise, right clockwise, top 2 times, 1 2 times, then right anti-clockwise. Bingo, the upper layer has been complete. Now you can see we can match the maximum number of matching color. Okay, in the next algorithm I will show you how to match the other sides, maybe 1 or 2 more algorithm, 2 or 3 more algorithms. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like my video.